Top 7 Hidden Features in Android 14 You Didn't Know About. From customizable lock screen widgets to advanced privacy settings and a refined multitasking experience, these features offer a wealth of functionality and customization that empower users to take full control of their devices. Whether you're a casual smartphone user or a seasoned Android enthusiast, these hidden gems are sure to elevate your Android experience in unexpected ways. 1. Custom Lock Screen Widgets. Widgets have long been a hallmark of Android's user interface, allowing for enhanced personalization and utility. With Android 14, this customization extends to the lock screen through custom lock screen widgets. No longer do you need to unlock your device and navigate through multiple menus to access essential information. Now, you can place your most used widgets directly on your lock screen. This means that critical information such as calendar events, weather updates, and music controls can all be accessed at a glance, without even needing to unlock your phone. By providing immediate access to your most important widgets, this feature streamlines your interaction with your device, making it more efficient and user-friendly. Whether you're trying to stay on top of your schedule or simply want to adjust your music while on the go, custom lock screen widgets allow you to access the information and controls you need faster than ever before. 2. Enhanced Privacy Dashboard. In an era where data privacy is increasingly at the forefront of digital security, Android 14 introduces a more advanced privacy dashboard that offers users unprecedented transparency and control over their data. While previous versions of Android provided some insight into app permissions, Android 14 goes a step further by offering a more detailed and user-friendly overview of how apps are interacting with sensitive data such as location, camera, microphone, and other private information. The enhanced privacy dashboard presents this information in a clear, easy-to-understand format, allowing users to see which apps have accessed specific permissions in the last 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Additionally, the dashboard reveals how often each app accesses your data in the background, ensuring that you can make informed decisions about which apps to trust. This tool puts you in the driver's seat, enabling you to revoke or adjust permissions with ease, ensuring that you maintain full control over your personal information. For users concerned about privacy, this feature is a game changer, providing an intuitive way to monitor and manage your app activity without the guesswork. 3. Battery Health Monitoring. As smartphones age, one of the most common issues users face is battery degradation, where the device holds less charge over time. In response, Android 14 introduces a battery health checker, designed to offer users insights into the long-term health of their device's battery. With the battery health checker, you can monitor the condition of your battery and identify any significant decline in its performance. This feature provides data on the overall wear and tear your battery has experienced, giving you an indication of how much longer it can continue to perform optimally. Armed with this information, you can make informed decisions about battery replacements or adjust your usage habits to prolong your device's lifespan. No longer do you need to wonder why your battery isn't lasting as long as it used to. The Battery Health Checker gives you full transparency, ensuring that your device remains in peak condition and reducing the likelihood of unexpected battery failures. 4. Per-app language customization. For multilingual users or those who prefer to use specific languages for certain apps, Android 14 introduces per-app language preferences, a hidden feature that allows users to set different language preferences for individual apps without affecting the overall system language. For instance, you may want your social media apps to display in one language, while your productivity or banking apps remain in another. With per-app language preferences, this is now possible. This level of customization offers greater flexibility for users who communicate across multiple languages or need different linguistic settings for work and personal tasks. This feature is particularly beneficial for international users, offering a tailored experience that adapts to your specific language needs, no matter the app. By offering such granular control over language settings, Android 14 ensures that the operating system can cater to a global audience with diverse linguistic preferences. 5. Clipboard History. Efficiency and convenience take center stage with Android 14's Clipboard History feature, a hidden gem designed to streamline multitasking and information management. Previously, when users copied multiple pieces of content, there was a risk of overwriting important data. Now, with Clipboard History, that risk is a thing of the past. This feature keeps a record of everything you've copied, allowing you to easily retrieve previously copied text, links, or images. Whether you're conducting research, filling out forms, or simply juggling multiple tasks, Clipboard History ensures you have quick access to your most recent copied content without the frustration of losing valuable information. For power users and anyone who frequently copies and pastes content across different apps, this tool provides an efficient and intuitive way to manage multiple pieces of information, significantly improving workflow and productivity. 6. Enhanced Task Manager. Android 14 enhances multitasking capabilities with its Enhanced Task Manager, which introduces a new app hibernation feature designed to optimize system performance. While the Task Manager has always been useful for displaying recent apps, the enhanced version now automatically hibernates unused apps, freeing up valuable system resources such as RAM and storage. This app hibernation feature is especially beneficial for users who have numerous apps installed but may not use them regularly. By placing these unused apps into a sleep state, Android 14 ensures that your device remains fast and responsive, even when juggling multiple tasks. This automated resource management helps users maintain optimal performance without manually closing apps, contributing to improved battery life and overall device efficiency. Whether you're a casual user or someone who heavily relies on multitasking, the Enhanced Task Manager ensures that your smartphone operates at peak performance. 7. Dual SIM support for calls and texts. Android 14 introduces a significant enhancement to its dual SIM functionality with the ability to seamlessly switch between SIM cards for calls and texts. This feature is particularly valuable for users who frequently travel, manage separate work and personal lines, or need to use two different carriers. With dual SIM support, Android 14 intelligently manages multiple SIM cards, allowing users to automatically switch between them based on preferences, network strength, or availability. This ensures uninterrupted connectivity while maintaining the convenience of managing multiple phone numbers from a single device. For professionals, travelers, and anyone who uses multiple SIM cards, this improvement makes staying connected easier and more efficient. By offering better control over how your device interacts with dual SIM cards, Android 14 delivers a more tailored and user-centric experience. While Android the 14th of May be celebrated for its prominent new features, its true strength lies in the hidden functionalities that provide users with more control, enhanced privacy, improved performance, and greater convenience. From custom lock screen widgets and enhanced task manager to dual SIM support and battery health monitoring, these hidden features empower users to unlock the full potential of their device. By discovering and utilizing these lesser-known tools, you can enhance your Android experience and enjoy a more seamless, personalized, and efficient interaction with your smartphone. Whether you're focused on improving productivity, maximizing battery life, or ensuring robust privacy, Android 14 delivers an impressive suite of features that cater to every user's unique needs. Thank you for watching Futura Forge. If you found these hidden features in Android 14 insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech insights. Feel free to leave a comment below on which feature surprised you the most or which one you plan on trying out. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech explorations and expert tips from Futura Forge, where we forge the future of technology together.